Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 12. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled. And now simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 49 and a low of 38.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.